Hello, my YouTube friends. We are back. I am Dee, and you are viewing the How To Lady. And we are back doing our centerpieces, our holiday centerpieces. I've been so excited, and so I got a few things I'd like to share with you. And I want you to keep in mind that these are just simple centerpieces. There's nothing lavish, extravagant about this. It's just thinking about what you have in your home that you can use to help celebrate the holiday. Stay tuned. We're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. Hello, my YouTube friends, and we are back, and as stated in the introduction, we are going to make yet again another simple holiday centerpiece. And here are the things you'll need. You're going to need these beautiful velvet bows. We're going to use about 3 of them. We're also going to use 3 candle holders. A tall one. We'll then have a medium-sized one, and then we'll have the smallest one. And I love these candle holders. These are amazing. I love the range from high to low, and it just makes for a really, really nice centerpiece. And we're just going to arrange something very simple. The other thing you will need, I got these tops. I believe in repurposing everything. So I've got these tops. They were on a little gift box, and the gift box got destroyed, but I was able to keep the tops, and I'm going to use these tops in my design. And you will also need some candles. I love these candles because they have that wonderful gold design in them. And of course, one is tall. Then we have the medium-sized one, and then we have the smaller one. Now, I like creating things that I can take apart after I'm done because I like to use it in another way. So we're not going to make this permanent, but we are going to make it where it does stay put together until after your event is over, and you then can move your centerpiece out of the way. So the other thing you'll need is tape. So I have my tape here, and I'm going to be using this in my design. So if you can just stick around and watch me put this together, I think that you're going to like what you see after it's put together. Isn't that lovely? I just love it. I am going to give you a better look. Wow, isn't this a lovely centerpiece? This would go well on any table, just anywhere that you just need to add a bit of holiday cheer. I really like the 3-tier candles. Top is from the gift boxes. Accent the candles perfectly, and the velvet bows are absolutely stunning. So yeah, think about doing something simplistic like this. It doesn't have to be anything elaborate. It can be something small, sweet, and to the point that just brings elegance to your holiday scene. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Happy holidays!